Okay, so this is a quick overview of how to locate an article using the advanced search and within Gale and Context Canada, and then how to save that citation into NoodleTools. All right, so here we go. So you can enter in search terms here. It says advanced. It's not more difficult. It actually breaks it down quite nicely for you. I'm going to It's going to make a strange noise when I type, and I'm sorry. So I've typed in Hindu, and I've added something called a truncation, which is an asterisk at the end. And what that does is it means that anything that falls after the U, Hinduism, Hindus, will all be searched within my search. I'm kind of interested in holidays. I came across this one, so I'm going to go ahead and search for that. Great. So there's quite a number of things. It's important for us to do a couple of things. We want to make sure that whatever articles we find are full text articles. So we're going to select full text documents, and we want it to be fairly new. So within the last 5 years is pretty good. So sorry, publication date, and then clicking the calendar here, selecting the year and changing it. Make sure you click on a date on that calendar so it'll go into the date range. And there we go. There's another. All right, so apply. All right, so that really reduces the number of things we're looking at. So I would like to keep things broad. I'm going to go ahead and just look at a reference article. There's 101 news articles. There's probably a beautiful, very nice image there. Some other magazine articles, but today I really just want a reference article. I'm going to go to Diwali. And here we go, Gale and Context online collection, and that is a reference collection. And you can see there's critical thinking questions, celebrating it today, some more information. And then at the bottom, we have the source citation. So I like this one. I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select my style, which will be Chicago. Again, I like it because it provides this URL that you can use to find the article at a later time. So we're going to select, and then we're going to send it to NoodleTools. And I was super smart. I logged into NoodleTools first. Really good habit to get into. It helps set up your projects. So here we have, this is the source that we have and how it will appear in our citations. If we had a problem, we'd write something about it there. It says you're logged in. It's not you, you can change it. We want to make sure we have the right project, and we're going to import our references. All right, let's see what happened when we did that. So I have NoodleTools opened. I'm going to make sure I go to projects. And I can see from here the Chicago is the style I'm using. I have 3 sources already, and I've done 1 note card. I have other options over here that I can use. Right now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to select world religions. We didn't fill in any of the information here, but that's okay. We want to see our sources. So we have 3 sources here. Oh, 2 sources here because I did 1 twice. Not a problem. We're going to click that and go to options. We're just going to delete that second copy. Yes. There we go. Awesome. So we have these sources, and that's great. If we want, we can go to note cards, and we can make a new note card, and we can add one of our sources into there and jazz it up and save everything that we need and organize our thoughts on this page and create a huge project. Or we can just keep our sources, and when we're ready, we can go ahead and select both of them. And then we want to export to Google Docs. And what that's going to do is go straight into Google Docs, and it should make for us a bibliography. There it is. And if you have made a bibliography, you will know that that took a lot of the effort out of it. All right, NoodleTools is a fantastic citation program, ad-free and available at the school. Be sure to get the school password from your instructor. All right, happy searching.